Hey guys, Kent here from Think Trade Profit. Welcome back to the channel. I had a different video prepared for today. It was trading around a core position. I didn't do really well, so I thought I'd throw something out there to kind of create some discussion among our community, but how you handle these breaking news events. Today was tough. We had Jerome Powell speaking at 10:40, and I didn't think that was going to have a big influence on the markets, but it did. You can see it in SPY here. There's a lot of this back and forth, and incredible, these down moves and these shakeouts after he was done. It was really tough, and then we just started grinding higher, and we do that a lot. Really tough for my style. I tend to short a little bit more than I go long, and I was shorting this market this afternoon, trying to get some traction, trying to make some money. I was down today, and I just couldn't get on the right side of anything. I was taking stabs at longs when the market was way down, and they didn't work out. And I was shorting, at various spots through this grind up, and I made some money and I gave it back, and I really struggled. And it's just frustrating, and I was just trying to understand it. I knew that a lot of this was based on stimulus hopes, and it has been for weeks. But I never really thought that was going to happen. I'm trying to understand the structure of the market and the algorithms where they can just set in this grind all afternoon and just slowly take things higher. I mean, I guess the big dogs and the institutions just aren't selling, so it's easier for them to just nip at it when there's no selling and just slowly trickle it up. But I didn't do well today at all. But more importantly, so the Trump tweeted, and he instructed the Republicans not to negotiate anymore on the stimulus package until after the election, and that hit the market around 250 or so, and we saw this move. And I was shorting. I was actually, my last trade before I gave up for the afternoon, I was just like, this is crazy, I'm done. I just wasn't having any luck. I was short a couple hundred shares of Facebook at 264.27, and I had to close it for almost $100 loss. It just kept going up. We just kept going up, and it broke above its resistance and all this stuff, and I couldn't believe it. I was just like, this slow grind is killing me, and that's why I gave up. And within about, 6 minutes after I closed it, that's when the tweet hit. And of course, it was down about 4 points in about a few minutes. And it's just really frustrating. I've struggled a little bit the past week or so just to get anything going. I had a great September. I'm not going to complain. But these last couple days, and it may be my stock selection, I just haven't been on the right side of anything. And I had a trade error yesterday, so just really kind of frustrating. But I'm curious how you guys did. Hopefully you're okay. You didn't get caught in any longs, or at least you had stop losses, or maybe you profited amazingly on this. Maybe you caught this. Let me know in the comments below. I just want to know what everybody else is doing, how you handle these breaking news things. I do a lot of prep in the morning. You guys have seen it. I look at the economic calendars. I also check the president's schedule. There is a website where you can check the president's public schedule. And I do that every day now. I want to know if he's having a press release or anything like that. I'll put this in the description below. But I check this every morning just to see if he has the intention of being on camera or anything like that. And he didn't have anything going on today. We just had that Jerome Powell kind of remarks at that NABE event. So yeah, disappointing. I used to watch his Twitter live. I used to have it off on the side, but I quit. But things do happen, but it's usually every couple months, right? The last time he did something like this was around China trade deals and that kind of stuff. That hurt the market a couple times when he would throw a tweet out there. So I don't know, I feel like it's really irresponsible. He just doesn't realize what an impact this kind of stuff has on the markets. And he's all talking about how great the economy is doing in the stock market. He mentions it right here, but he just crushes it with this nonsense. Put it out after hours, or something like that. Don't put it out in the middle of an afternoon when the market's trending up. But yeah, so not thrilled with today, but curious about how you guys handle it and how you guys did. But I guess this may set the tone for the markets now. Maybe this will be true and everyone can get rid of the idea of some stimulus package kind of happening, because I didn't believe it was. I'm not much into politics, but I followed what the Democrats have done up till now. And they did their little their last package, voted on it, and left town. and supposedly there's some negotiations going on, but I never had hopes of a stimulus package this week or next week. I didn't think that the House of Representatives and the Democrats were willing to budge, and now the president supposedly isn't either. So I don't know. I guess it'll make for interesting markets, but yeah, just really frustrating today. And I just wanted to talk about that instead because I didn't have much else for you. So let me know. Maybe you guys did something amazing. Maybe you had some sell short stops in the market or something. You caught this on the way down, but I didn't. I was done, and I was writing in my journal, and I just happened to glance up at SPY, and I saw it tanking, and then I had to go turn on CNBC and see what was going on, and that got me up to speed. So I hope you guys are all right. Tell me what's going on in the comments. Just trying to create some discussion. This might be my video for the week. I'm a little discouraged, but be careful out there. I wish you guys the best. Play good defense, and I will talk to you next time.